Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness Today. At the beginning, we actually thought that this whole matter has been fully resolved, and the detention of Nnamdi can probably have brought down the tempo. But as we speak, another group from the southeast have decided to give a warning to the south, to give a warning to the presidency and Aso Rock in general, that the Ndigos have not only been marginalized, but they need extra states because most of their people, if not all of their people, have been staying in non-southeastern states, and they made it very bold and clear, bringing out maps to show that the Igbo communities are spread cut across places. It will shock you. Even Taraba have Igbo community there. I'm not talking about those who migrated. I'm talking about the indigenous people from inception owning the community. So many states were mentioned. Probably you need to pay full attention. You never can tell. You may think you're from the south or even the southwest or even the north. You may actually be kings and kin of an Igbo man. The moment you're going to find out if you are there or your clans are actually part of this community, and also those begging to get their state in this time around as an affiliate of Ndigbo. Before we go to the newspaper to find out all this and much more that have been generating a lot of reactions, Nigerians cut across are reacting over this whole thing. But before we do that, like, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the right subscribe button. Beside it, you see about notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ohaneze spokesman Ibayaka has released a shocker, and the identity of true Igbos, the settlement and spread in non-southeastern state of the Federation. This revelation is an indicator to approve the Igbo extraction, their desired place in Nigerian government, particularly as it concerns the succeeding president to Muhammad Buhari, GCFR. The original copy of the revelation stands as thus. For River State, Igbo community, indigenous Igbos in River State are 1. Egbema, Ete, Omuma, Ndoni, Ikwere, Ekpeye, Obibo, Opobo, and Ogba. Now for Edo State, it is Ikpenge, Ikpanke, and Igboakere. In fact, most people do not even know that Archbishop Benson Idahosa and his wife are Igbo from Ibanke in Ondo local government area of Edo State, and was formerly in Ohuonwan local government area, where the mother of the late Samuel Idagbofo Ogbomedua is Igbanke. Most indigenes of this town, just like Ika people, bear hybrid names that most often could just jolly well pass as Edo because of their names like Nduka, Irabo, Jimovia, Amoroge, Nwanwane, Collins, Edumaruso, and so on. Well, for Delta State, pay attention, your state, your community may be involved. You say for Delta State, we have Ika, Idokwa, Ikwane, Aniocha, Oshimele. Now for Bayelsa State, we have Osikwenike, Abueto, and Eke, Okpokiri villages, all in Sagbama area of Bayelsa, are all Igbo of Okwani stock, and as such are of the Anyoma Igbo clan of Igbo ethnic group in Bayelsa State. For Cross River State, it is Isobo. Even Leamoke, the former Cross River State governor, and his wife are Igbos from Abi local government area of Cross River State. That one is Cross River. Now for Akwa Ibom State, they said Ikot Udo Ika in Ika local government area of Akwa Ibom is also an Igbo community. In Benue State, we have the Igbos in Benue State, particularly those in Ado, Oju, Obi, Akpoko local government areas of the state were in existence even before the advent of Christian religion in Nigeria. The Igbo found in Benue are Umuezuokoha, Oriozo, Umuagaha, Umuagara, Amaeke, Amaezekwe, all in Iza community, Izamugbo, and Efium. And went further, said these are the people who would have been in present-day Ebonyi State, but due to the fact that the Nigerian government then carved them into Benue in order to suppress the population of the east. Apart from Easy speaking clan, particularly the people of Umeeze Koha, that has over 300 villages. If you are to calculate the number of Igbo speaking villages in Benue State outside Umeeze Koha, you would be talking altogether about over 600 villages. Three of the biggest markets in Benue are all in the Igbo speaking part. The markets are Inikiri, Ichari, Ida, Idookpe. There are also some Igbo-speaking Idoma towns in Benue State. Now for Kogi State, we have the indigenous Igbo-speaking communities in Kogi, and especially in Ibaji and Igbalamila. Odulu local government area are all Eke Avurogo communities such as Nwajala, Umoye, Ubuli, Umueze, Ozara, Umoye, and many others. The current Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwasi Ojaja II, also told us that his kingdom was initially conquered by the Igbos. Please kindly note that he was referring to the Ugbo of Ondo State, until they were rescued by Moremi, and he also spoke of the Aboriginal Igbo community that still exists in Ile-Ife to this day, which means there's an Igbo community in Ile-Ife. Igbos are also in Ogun State, Igbo and Taraba, making 15 states in Nigeria of Igbo extraction. Aye. This can give a clue of the spread of Igbos across the state of Nigeria, and also justifies their clarion call for Nigerian president of Igbo extraction in 2023. If you see the generation of reaction that this claim for the past few hours has generated, it will wow you. This one is going to be uncensored. Even me, I did not know that Igbos have places in Igbo, Ogun, Ondo. No, maybe Edo, maybe Delta, because there's a bit of closeness of boundary line, so you can excuse that. I mean indigenous, not the one that migrated. I didn't even know they have Taraba. Let's feel the pulse of Nigerians. This one here is saying, please Igbo, come take the village referred to in Akwa Ibom State. I don't think the village reached 50 family grouping before this annexation agenda. Na beg, Akwa Ibom State no get Igbo. This one here is saying, the Igbos are not getting it right. This one here is saying, nobody complains. Igbos has brothers and sisters in South and as well in North Central. Oh, okay. He said in North Central, so there's no way they can reject, but there's no way they can reject, but want also from the Southeast. The core Igbo region is not a bad thing to demand another from their region. Okay. This one here says, we didn't have any Igbos in South. I mean the Igbos were Igbos. I don't understand now. This one is very, very. Some of them are just talking with annoyance here. I'm trying to censor out the very wonderful words here. This one here is saying, ask, after adding all these people, you same Igbo, we say that they are not real Igbos. Let's assume either of Wike or Amechi is given presidential ticket. Won't you people deny the accessory? Make una focus. Ekpeye in River State is not Igbo. People are beginning to talk. This I say is Southeast is different from South politically, though there are Igbos in both. South cannot take the turn of Southeast. Okay, so they can be different politically, but when it comes to geographically, they are one. This one here say 16-2 Sagbama. Igbos are not serious, so how can Sagbama be Igbo? This is serious. This one here say, wait, this madness is the reason why you cannot be president for the next 50 years. Ndiosi, Ole. How then did you know Ndiosi is Ole if you're not Igbo? This is politicians are making things quite hard for people to understand. Stop speaking of president of Igbo extraction, but simply from Southeast. Obasanjo, Southwest. Goodluck, South. Then Southeast. This is what every youth must rise up to. Why must everybody want to change this configuration? The youths are manipulated to go otherwise. If Nigeria wants peace, then we will have to see it all. But if we want peace, let's trust this reality. Biafrans have a way out. Deny them their rights and they will exit. This one said the whole country will soon become an Igbo territory, as Igbos are everywhere because of the hospitable nature of other tribes in Nigeria. What this one is of the opinion that that they are everywhere because of the fact that they were brought in. But what Ibayaka is saying is that indigenous